Good evening, and we are at a place that I have wanted to visit for so long, and I just know it's going to live up to expectation. We're going to sleep in a cave. This is so brilliant. I say it often, but this is again one of those places that I've seen again and again and again and again, and now I'm here. Whew. This one, I've been dying to go in this one. Sha-la-la-la-la-la. Big old swell. This feels so bizarre. It's really strange. To think that so much is being held up by essentially so little. It's incredible. I don't think Carol's liking it too much. She's got a panicked face on. Gonna have a look at the other side. So we're on the west side of the quarry now. We're gonna go and have a look at the east side of the quarry. See how it goes. So we're over the east side of the quarry now. Much more rugged. Still stunning. Looks like the footfall over this side is a lot less. Now, if you're coming to the Jurassic Coast, to Winspit, or if you're walking the Southwest Coast Path and you camp, which there is a big sign saying not to camp. I didn't know that. There's no way Carol can get back up the hill now. So for medical purposes, we're going to rest up. There is no firewood, literally none. So if you are forced to camp here, there's lots of scorch marks. So people do have fires down here, but they must bring their own stuff. They must bring their own wood, because there's no trees. There's no driftwood because the sea is down there. So the only things I've been able to find are small branches that have blown in. I'm going to be really respectful to the area. I'm not going to take limbs off of any trees. I'm not going to do that. I'll take what has fallen and blown in, and that's it. And we might just have to have a tiny weeny, what I call a companion fire. You're not really getting any heat from it, but it's just there and it feels nice to have. Now, something interesting. This, I was showing my daughter online earlier. So you would have seen some of the, they're not shafts, are they? They're not adits. Some of the mining cavities, I don't know what they're really called. And my daughter said, what happens if one falls in? And this one has so Talia, that is what happens when one of these caves fall in. We're not sleeping in a cave tonight, we're sleeping out on the ledge, far enough away from the cliffs, from the big cliffs above us, and far enough away from the ledge that goes down to the sea. That's really impressive, isn't it? But does it make a noise if no one's there to hear it? We were having that conversation the other day. What do you think? Pop in the comments what you think. It's like the tree thing. When a tree falls in the forest and there's no one there to hear it, does it make a sound? There's no wood. Oh, this is a cool one. Very cool. Aha. Wood. Man make fire. Wood. Finding wood at Winspit Quarry is what I'm told dating in your 30s and 40s is like. You're just taking everyone's leftovers and the dregs. And there isn't much, but if you look hard enough, you get the occasional good log. This place is amazing. It's as impressive as I thought it would be. Oh. Doug, you're missing out. And there's little cut-ins all the way across and down the coast, all the way along. I'm not going to go deep into the history. There's loads of videos online that have already gone into what this place was used for, what films have been filmed here. I just wanted to come. That's it, I just wanted to come. I also wanted to come to show you what an amazing place this is. And half the beauty, if you do get yourself motivated to come, half the beauty of coming to these places is doing that little bit of research yourself, having a look at those videos, like seeing that pillar online and then standing next to it. Great. But yeah, do a little bit of research yourself, get yourself excited, get yourself motivated, and then it just makes it all the better. You get your dopamine from the planning process, you get your dopamine on the drive in and on the day when you're packing your bag, and then you get more dopamine when you're here. And it's just beautiful just to be outside in nature. The sunrise tomorrow morning, fingers crossed, is going to be staggeringly beautiful. You alright, guys? Yeah, good tar. Oh, I don't know how much you can see on camera, but it is bizarre. Minerals. There's one shot I want to get. It's not that one. But there's one particular shot that if I can get will be really good. And I can. I don't know how much of that is going to come out. The moon through this adit doorway is just incredible. So we've had a little explore, or I've had a little explore of the caves. We've watched the moon rise, we've got a beautiful fire. We're going to have a glass of wine with the sea crashing. Cheers. And I suppose this can go in the adventure date playlist, because it is an adventure date, isn't it?
Yeah.
And we're just going to chill with a very small fire and have a lovely night under the stars next to the sea, next to a haunted quarry. See you in the morning.